Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with expert-level insight to help you make informed decisions. If you've been struggling to achieve that perfect voluminous lash look, today's review is just what you need. We're talking about the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara Primer Base and Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara, two products designed to take your lashes to the next level. If you're looking for mascara that gives you lush, full lashes without the fuss, stick around. Now, let's dive right in. L'Oreal's Voluminous Mascara Primer Base is here to thicken your lashes and prep them for a perfect coat of mascara. It promises to enhance the wear of your mascara while giving you that full, voluminous effect. Alongside it, Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara steps in with the claim of providing 20x more volume and 2x more length. The formula is designed to deliver bold volume with just a few swipes while ensuring that your lashes stay in place all day long, without the smudging. These products come with over 200 bristles on the brushes, ensuring that every lash is coated from root to tip. Both the mascara and primer boast an ophthalmologist-tested, caring makeup formula with 99% natural origin ingredients, which is fantastic for those who want to stay mindful of their makeup's composition. Now, let's talk about how they perform in real-life use. As someone who loves experimenting with mascaras, I can say that incorporating both the primer and mascara into my beauty routine was incredibly simple. I applied the voluminous primer base first, and I could immediately feel the product thickening my lashes. It created a perfect base for the mascara, which I then layered on. Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara went on smoothly, providing the instant volume and length it promised. One swipe was all it took for my lashes to look fuller, and with each additional coat, they just kept getting more dramatic. Performance-wise, I wore these two products throughout my day, and I was impressed with how well they held up. The mascara stayed put without smudging or flaking, and my lashes maintained that voluminous look without feeling heavy or clumpy. One thing to note, the waterproof formula is great for all-day wear, but requires a bit more effort to remove in the evening. Let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: amazing volume and length. Both the primer and mascara deliver on their promises, giving you fuller, longer lashes. Easy to use. The application is simple, even if you're a beginner with mascaras. Non-smudging. The waterproof formula ensures your lashes stay intact all day. Natural ingredients. With 99% natural origin ingredients, it's a solid choice for those who want a cleaner option. Cons. Removal. Being waterproof, it requires a bit more effort to remove at the end of the day. Layering. While the mascara builds nicely, applying too many layers can lead to some clumping, so it's best to stop at 2 or 3 coats. Now, is this duo worth the price? In my opinion, absolutely. The combination of a high-performance mascara and a primer that sets a great base for your lashes gives this product solid value. When you consider that you're getting both the primer and mascara for a relatively affordable price, it's easy to see why these are so popular. If you're looking for alternatives, I would recommend checking out other volumizing mascaras or primers in a similar price range, but honestly, L'Oreal's Lash Paradise and Voluminous Primer are tough to beat for the price. The packaging feels sturdy, and both products last a decent amount of time with consistent use. As for the longevity of the product, the mascara's staying power is impressive. My lashes stayed voluminous from morning till night, and even after a full day of wear, they still looked great. If you're on the fence about trying these products, I say go for it, especially if you're after a more dramatic lash look without breaking the bank. The L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara are a fantastic duo that can work wonders on anyone's lashes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried this mascara primer combo, drop a comment below. Let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.